Today, I'm fixing my future because someone has to. If you start my savings and investment plans with Old Mutual today, then my future will be smoother than Dad's head. So you get advice from the people at Old Mutual, and I'll get those gold stars to make you proud. Any questions?
Do future doctors pack their own lunches?
Start their journey by speaking to an Old Mutual financial advisor today. Invest in their future. Do great things every day.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's the final of the CAF Champions League. That's literally the season over. Whoever wins will get a star. It will be the first time for Pyramids. It will be the second time for Mamelodi Sundowns. They played 1-1 in the first leg. They're now going to Egypt in North Africa to play a team that plays countercultural. If you think of all the North African teams and then you look at Pyramids, they don't even look like a North African team in the way they approach football matches. They want to score goals, they play on the front foot, and they know how to manage football matches. It will be a game between the two coaches, really, if you think about it. Biggest mistake that Pyramids can make is to think because it was 1-1 and there was an away goal, then they just start defending. Fortunately, they don't do that. They always play on the front foot for the most part. We've seen them in the quarterfinals, scored 4 goals. We've seen them as well in the semifinals. In one game, they scored 3 goals against Orlando Pirates, and that's how they won and got themselves to the final. They are a goal-scoring team every edition of the knockout phase of the CAF Champions League. For Sundowns, they are capable of scoring 5, 10, 15 goals in one match, all a matter of what their coach wants from them, because they are the best team in South Africa and Southern Africa at large. Depending on the day, their coach can ask them to not attack but to defend. Maybe we'll see that. Maybe we'll see attacking football. Junior Kanyeho, analyst, going to the final in the second leg. What do you think feels good about this one? Who do you think has the upper hand or more confidence between the two teams? Yes, sir. Just.
Benedict Sovilagas.
Yes, sir.
Keep on supporting this KTV fighting no one try to fix South African football. Sundowns is by not winning here in South Africa. Last week when they're playing here at home, it's like bebadlala neutral venue. They were not themselves. Even the coach himself, the way team yakidlale ngakhona. Uqala ukuvela naye yabona ukuthi if uzochoose ama game, he played a very scrappy game. Too many long balls. Ufuna ukuthola le team ngama counter attacks. It was the first time for me watching Sundowns playing ngama counter attacks, ngama breaks. And the team overall performance up, they look confident. They are not themselves. How many chances they created here at home? I think the game plan coach, the Pyramids, I think it was very good for me for not allowing Sundown to start the ball at the back. That's where they suck you. The more you press, and then mawuba press abaphuma lapha. Waba allow abaphuma noma ngabe abapressa. La figure la emidleni. Afuna the spaces behind you and then you will get punished. So, uthe maka pressa up front yakhe and the midfield follow. And also net defense yakhe, the goalkeeper was alert as well. I think game plan Sundowns was dead. There was no plan B for a coach here in Kulmangayo Mikel Caruso.
He made a sub in the first half. I can't remember who he took off, but someone was taken off in the first half last
Matthews.
week. Yeah, it was Matthews for Jaden Adams to get more control in the midfield.
Or running out of ideas, even taking out the wrong player. I mean, he played wrong players. Even his starting 11, he sacrificed a lot. About him and Flambeck, Bernadette connection, because I don't understand why this guy he has to start ahead of Mshishi. No matter Mshishi is unfit. A better unfit Mshishi is better than Salas. Yes, Salas is not a bad player. The more he plays, foot he improves. He bring another dimension, a good team Sundowns, but let him start on the bench. And Mkalo Mshishi there. Okanye bring Ribeiro there. La kudlala yena uSalis ku number 10. And then you bring another player mhlambe up front noma ngabe uya ngoShalile naye uRenas noma ngabe isebenza that combination, but at least midfield yakhe strong. And also the person who's linking between the striker and midfield uRibeiro uba mobile more. So I think isapi yakho coach show starting 11 panics a lot last week. Udla an experienced team. Pyramids into engiyibonile, there's no youngsters there. They've got players who are ready psychological. No matter it's the first time, you can't tell. On the pitch, they were ready for Sundowns. Very aggressive team, tactical discipline. they can play. Technical very good, superior. Also the coach, you understand I'm a player, okay? Because abana the energy Kishima with the ball too much, but they run when it's necessary. And well done to them for scoring a weak game.
That was very important.
Yeah, a critical phase of the game.
Yeah.
Seo Pela, lapse of concentration from Sundowns. But last week, if we can be honest, it looks like Sundowns will concede, even the first whistle.
Yeah.
Because Umayela, when he's there, yeah, I
He
understand.
could have scored in the first half.
I understand the position there.
He could have scored in the first half.
I was yazi bengifuna mina nkuleko mfethu when they talking about this guy all this time ngoba imida inokuhype yabo I want to watch him, especially playing Pirates first leg Champions League. I could see mangibukela igame yonke this guy is so dangerous. He was a break line. It's him yakama midfield, they understand him. He doesn't run. He hardly run outside the box in Strikers in South Africa. He stays there and always alert. Agents, I love. It's very dynamic. I see the strikers meal and was between two centre backs. Dangerous. So if I'm gonna a person who will man mark him, also my problem. So Sundowns, every time they play, it looks like somebody will score against them. Yes, good team, make no mistake, but defense are questionable.
That's why I'm saying Wuti. Sundowns is capable of scoring goals.
Yes.
Njengoba baconsider kangaka, yini ebaphoqa ukuthi bangabe ne open game where they say, okay, you're going to score, nathi sokora.
Yeah.
Because the defensive football, yeah, but they still concede.
Yeah.
With the defensive football. What is stopping them from playing front three and an attacking midfielder and try to score as many goals as possible? Because they can score against anyone, Sundowns, on their day.
The philosophy has changed. Slowly, the philosophy is taking a direction wrong. Mikel Carlos has done well for himself, and also the players they apply themselves. Coaching they but the philosophy is changing. Typical Northern African coach, we are Magazot final playing home. Everything's changed. We are more Arrows. It doesn't play a team like South Africa PSL. We change it. Must could be varied in quarter-final of semi-final.
Yeah, both of them. Quarter-final and semi-final, yeah. Both of them.
They never play.
They were very lucky to go through.
I mean, when they
Esperance Correle, yazi yathi VAR kune offside. Masipeka akuna offside.
Yeah.
That was the quarter-final.
Yeah.
Semi-final, igoal abayikorele ku Al Ahly. We don't even know who scored that goal. It was very lucky.
Yeah.
And he played without a striker in there. But for a CV, he can win the second Champions League, but it's not going to be good for the team going forward.
Yeah, angithi South Africa when we win.
You are a genius.
But apparently all these coaches that are winning, that they won before, I can mention the name of one, Kevin Hunt, Enes Mededop, where are they now? They struggle. They won ugly, but look how they're struggling. Ngisho Kevin Hunt, they're one of the best. We need to be honest, he's the best because of kwabanye abantu emehlweni abantu, because we need 2, 3, like 4 in fact. And I go to win it first. But why is struggling now? Sometimes we made a face effect. When Enes Mededop, when did this guy, how long did he arrive in South African football? Now it's bonke labantu laba like mangi iyo into engilwe la.
Gordon won 4 league titles.
Those are humans.
Yeah.
I love inclusive mina Kevin Hunt. He give people chance. Even namuko ukodini kasini wankago my respect. But in football, where are they now? But if we can be realistic, because when you play ugly, you get away. Ne? When it catch up with you. Right now, SuperSport.
Yesterday, they almost got relegated. It's unbelievable. Yeah, it's unbelievable.
With all the resources. So all I'm saying, Gucci, isn't there so?
So Ukadoso a winner, and for the CVI, it will be good. It doesn't mean he's a genius.
So even if he wins, which is I believe in any opinion, which is
Sure.
Kuna question marks amani. Also. With the players, in a selection here, there's favoritism. For me, I understand why I'm playing Salis. I don't. Ngezwa wonke umuntu ngidibane nenye Grootman nje Karachi Junior. Ngizulu khuluma ngoSalis. Salis did very well. Where?
No.
Where? No,
that's not right.
No, people.
Like, we watched the game. It was not behind closed doors. It's not right.
So the guy, anyway, angeke sifihlela, angeke sikhohlise. Salis, the coach plays him because somebody maybe tell him to play.
I need to ask you something important. At the end of that game, the 1-1, I don't know what happened. Wonke amasanta wana bekakhala ngomshishi. Now umshishi beyangadlali. We know how capable he is. but he hasn't been playing. Did you feel ukuthi beyimdinga leya game?
Yeah, as a sub.
Because every Sundowns player, every Sundowns fan was umshiyela
Yeah,
benchini.
we don't have to be. Yes, everybody's got his own opinion.
Yeah.
I'm a fans now, but me played the game and understanding him. I would take that. I gotta be right. It's unforgettable. The intensity is so high.
Yeah.
Kuna my expectations. You need to play off the ball now. You game modern football has changed suddenly. You play off the ball. When the team defend, you need to be there.
Yeah.
Obviously, you can't defend like a defender. A attacking player can't defend like a defender.
But you must add the numbers.
Yeah, you must be behind the ball, go in a shape. And when you give you the ball, you must be able to progress. So I think for me, coming from the bench, mhlambe second half.
They didn't second half.
Yeah, my God, he came second half. Just introduce Umshishi and see what, because brain yakhe. You like it or not, the way acabanga khona akusi wonke amaplayer lapha ku-Sundowns the way acabanga njengaye. He's got football intelligence. I-two-touch, three-touch, ngatouch ibhola kayi-3 itholakala nithi. Then umuntu otouch ibhola kayi-555 and then he does nothing with it. So bekemnida second half. Mayiqala nje ngoba umkhipthile that's why I'm favorite. Why I'm keeping Usalis? Why? And also, this guy now, Suarez, he had to cost him. Abeyakho kule cup lele Nedbank Cup.
Yeah, he gave away something. It became a goal against
So,
Chiefs.
He needs to be man enough now. He must tell the technical director yabo. And now he must do himself a favor. Ngoba he's going to be charged going forward. No, me technical directing about going forward. Manga loser, sacrificing with these players. Sometimes that is tendency ukuthi if you lose the Champions League, they get it. I'm not too sure on this guy.
He will get a second chance, even if he loses. I think they will give him next year.
Yeah, because that's what they did.
At least, and also he went to the final. It wasn't bad. Like Azanga Bamshai Sangena with Champions League. I think he will come back next year. And of course, he's going to the Club World Cup. Maybe if they embarrass him in the Club World Cup, maybe they might look at it different. Let's go to the game then. What kind of game do you expect? And also the prediction as well.
Yeah, one is going to be Pyramids respect Sundowns. They know who they play against. They're playing a high profile. Because Sundowns, Abi coach is not that good.
Do you agree with me that Pyramids will score against Sundowns?
Yes, they will win. I mean, they're going to support South African, but let's be realistic.
Yeah. I think they will score.
I support the support the team outside, but let's face effect. It's a game of opinion anyway. Yeah. Sundowns, they were supposed to win here. So going away is not going to be easy. Sundowns, as Ngishilo in the tournament, they will never win the Champions League. They've got a better squad. The intern against the coach getting away with the media. Coach told to Balega, Obamba, Ubulalu Muntu getting away by nigga somebody with Tikala, Oban, Munimunto Bulele, Ulo, Choti Bulele. If we can, I'm a player at Sundowns, they win games. Quality team, even on the bench. Signing players, whoever, well done to him. Because no matter team they understand each other. They can pass it all around, no matter coach team. But going to this game, I don't think you're confident level they can win the game outside in South Africa, especially in Egypt against Pyramids. Pyramids, it's going to be an intensity game. And they will obviously some coach will respect one another. It's only 190 minutes this time. It's a break it or make it. So Sundowns wing back. I know bana this tendency ukuthi front three in most games, especially right and left players. Aksama player but like in most but like my wing back. Yeah, system but if I'm not good if they're going to do by checking him something aside one or they're going to get punished. Is a core Pyramids. And for me, Sundowns, I don't think they will trouble much Pyramids. But
Bana badlali are capable.
The thing is, a coach.
Yeah. So I agree with you, Guti. The coach is killing that team, I think.
One of the best teams.
The team itself, if those players were playing without a coach, they could score 2 goals against Pyramids. Umabe is without a coach. Yeah, they will score 2 goals in Egypt. But with this coach playing defensive football, I don't have hope.
Kulego, remember, as Nishogue, Sundowns, they've changed. Suddenly, winning the Petri Premiership, they are ahead of everyone in South Africa.
Yeah, they're the best team in the country.
Yeah. ahead of everyone.
Yeah.
Anyway, I don't
Kakhulu
know.
futhi, kakhulu,
Yeah.
like-
5 steps ahead of
Yeah.
anyone in South Africa. But these type of games, the Pyramids are say hype. The Champions League have been questioning it standard of football. Technically good. They've got high profile individual players. Sasa is a bit different between him and Mkwena.
Latitura.
Yes, Ivory Coast, both of them, somebody must win the game for Ichimiake. It's going to play a vital role tomorrow. 2 centre back, very smart. Babone last week, Mnandi Kakhulu. They understand one another. Area, they win everything. Up front, they've got a top man. Abo Spain Sagrina. You've got a chance to win a game. And it's where they build up, they play. Even in the middle. They've got a player last week on number 11, playing on the left-hand side, on the right, cutting in. Very smart. Genius. Last week was no way. I'm not too sure where, or my bookings or injury, but I'm sure tomorrow is going to play.
It's Sunday. On Sunday.
I mean to say Sunday, 7 o'clock. So they are capable playing in Ngiyazi really coach. I think the mind game, but Alama mind game about that's not crowd Tina. The Abanda was favor Egypt. People will come in numbers. It's a country. It's an Egyptian. I'm sure Al Ahly will support them. Fans.
Well, they don't like each other.
Yeah, Marama fans.
It's like,
I'm talking about fans.
No, they will have a number of fans.
I
but
mean, not just South
Yafana
Africa,
Nala,
Wonku
like,
Muntu.
it's-
Abayithandi
yeah, you don't
Sundowns.
like Sundowns if
Yeah.
you're Chiefs and
Yeah.
stuff like that. So it's the same
Yeah.
in Egypt as well. Let's go to the game itself. Your prediction?
Yeah, prediction. I see. He gave me a pelang 0-0. Obviously, it's goal life.
Yeah, if it's 0-0, then away goal will
Or,
count.
I mean, I've got 2 prediction, 2-1. Sundowns will score probably. It's going to be 0-0 or 2-1. Maela is going to score. He is going to score tomorrow. Yeah. A game, Sundowns, if they score, Maela, a winning goal, Uzoikora. It's going to be 2-1 or 0-0 for me.
There you go. Thank you very much to Junior. That's his prediction. It's all Vilakazi 2-1 win for Sundowns. Junior Kanye 2-1 win for Pyramids or 0-0. Either way for Junior, Pyramids will lift the trophy. For Tso Vilakazi, Sundowns will lift the trophy. Of course, on Sunday, we will see it unfold. It will be Junior Kanye, Tso Vilakazi. It will also be Ulindo Pep. And of course, we'll also have Ubobo in the house with myself and Kulule Gongeu and Justice Shabalala behind the scenes as well. Shane will be in Cape Town. He'll come back very soon as well. Itiski TV, Itiski Times, what's for betting? For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami Ulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.